What up, fam? I'm here to talk to you about the most important thing we do at Imperfects: Courier pants and shepherd shirts. I got the original proper kit right here. This is it. This is in the new spring edition, the natural canvas. We also call this PFD. Natural means prepared for dye. This is just the organic cotton, the way it comes off the line in our craft canvas. This is what it looks like before it gets dyed. We love it. When you break it in, it's just beautiful. You make this your own. It's the natural takes on a patina of its own, and it's just rad. Anyway, what I want to talk to you about today is not only the fact that the shepherd shirt and the courier pant are what started this whole endeavor at Imperfects. They are the key to everything. A classic overshirt and a classic hardworking chore pant. These are meant to pair together. We have a saying here: start with a shepherd shirt, pair in a courier pant, pun intended, and you will end up getting rewarded if you do that. Go watch the magic happen. Throw a shepherd shirt, any courier pant into your cart on the website, and something cool will happen. You'll get a little discount. Anyway, today I specifically want to talk to you about the courier pant, the updates we've made to the courier pant. So we're constantly iterating and making sure that we're innovating as we grow. As we move forward, it's our responsibility to make sure that our product gets better, right? Well, one of those updates, it's been very key. Last 5 years of wearing courier pants, we have this little guy called the French buckle. And when you pull this closed, you can cinch it down and you can size down or size up depending on how much dinner you had, right? Just a kind of a utilitarian tool that you need every once in a while. Well, this used to be our actual, right on our anatomical waistband here. You'll notice that swallowtail. I say anatomical waistband because that's actually, yes, an ode to Surfcraft, but both, then very importantly, a utility for fitting around your waist. This is called a shaped waistband, and that swallowtail plays into it a lot. Anyway, this thing used to be up here. We just simply moved it down and added 2 belt loops, so you can rock both a belt and use your French buckle, one and the same. That is such a key element to success, I gotta tell you. Anyway, the other updates are not only that the brass tacks are reinforced with wafers now, so those aren't gonna pop out on you ever again, but we also did roll out a brass tack lifetime warranty. So if you're buying a pair of pants from us, or a shepherd shirt, or anything with brass tacks on it for that matter, make sure you check out our brass tack lifetime warranty. That means we'll always fix your brass tacks for you, one way or another. You see the sketchbook lining there and the pocketing. That binding is also in the shepherd shirt. You'll notice our updated zigzag overlock right there on our woven label. Kind of a nice way to finish it up and really tuck away the details. And of course, all the things that matter the most: the drop-in utilitarian signature cell phone pocket, super key. This is the original fit, so it's got a straighter leg on it. You'll notice this very, very classic one-piece gusset running all the way through from ankle to ankle. That not only allows you to tailor the pant, but it offers a little more movement. That triple needle felled seam work in there. It's the joining of 2 pattern pieces with flat seams, so it's kind of a tailored effect. It makes it easy to work on them and tailor them yourself. It's also a very strong triple needle chain stitch. And then classic patched on thigh panels here. So these are meant to actually hold knee pads. If you need to actually throw some knee pads for reinforcement in there, that's possible. That's what the red bar tacks indicate. So red bar tacks on anything Imperfects indicate utility. You'll notice that the coin pocket has 2 red bar tacks. That's meant to call that out and let you know, drop your coin in there. The red bar tacks on the knee panel are meant to call out that that opens and that reinforcement is there for a reason. Last but not least, the red bar tack on the second belt loop here is for your keys, so that you can link your keys and bring them around and tuck them away, right? Of course, the only other red is the scribble for authenticity. Start with a shepherd shirt, pair in a courier pant. It's as good as it gets. Peace.